আলো তো এমনি দেখা যাচ্ছে পাওয়ার মারে। Now video start recording when the red lights is pop up. Okay, let's take a look closely. This is like display, but it's not working, only for show. Okay, there is a belt. Let's see inside the bag. केवल डालो फिर पास आ जाओ. This is the bag. Inside the bag there is a charging port, but without any adapter, so you need to use your cell phone adapter to charge it, and you can insert it, and also it's a data cable. Okay, here is a user manual. Language, one side is English and other side is Chinese. Not a bad thing. After this, I will record some clips and show you how it looks like.